Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a really exciting unboxing to share with you guys. It's actually an item that you have already seen. I just kind of didn't highlight it the last time it was with me. This package was sent to me by the good, the great, the Nick Shabazz. Thank you so much, Nick. It's actually something that I purchased after handling it. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other exclusive benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. So this was an item that he was like, do you want to check this out? And I said, I don't know much about those types of items, but why am I like trying to keep this mysterious? I mean, you guys, obviously by the thumbnail, you probably already know what it is. But he was like, yeah, it's a good opportunity to learn, and then he sent it to me, and I fell in love with it. But he offered to sell it to me, and I couldn't. I didn't quite want to take the jump at the time. And then what? Oh, hey, awesome! There's actually, I forgot he was sending this. Well, the thumbnail is going to look a little bit different now, but this is awesome. Gosh darn it. I forget the name of this. I mean, once I do the full review on it, obviously you guys will have more details. There we go. I'll make sure and include the information somewhere, either in the description or the title. But very cool. I'm gonna guess this is full titanium. Nice. Oh, nice mid-stop there. Ooh, this is very nice. Very, very, very nice. Nice and thin behind the edge. Really cool. All right, so that's in there. But the other item here is, let me get this all the way open. Anyways, so he was like, you want to buy it? And I was like, I really want to, but I don't think I can quite. There were other knives and things that I was purchasing at the time. And so I said, maybe not right now. And then here just recently, he messaged me and shot me a better deal. And I said, okay, let's do it. I could not resist. I am not a watch guy. I'm not somebody who knows a ton about watches, but you know, and as much as Nick always says, do not get into watches. Oh boy, yeah, I'm so excited. He always says, do not get into watches. Well, I think I'm teetering over the event horizon here. I want a reason to learn and discover, and this came highly recommended from him and a number of other people, and I got excellent reviews. This is the Seiko Samurai, but this is the Blue Ocean edition. This is a really, really nice watch, and you know, admittedly, this is far and away the most expensive watch that I've ever owned. But I'm excited. This is exactly what I was looking for. We had a discussion a long time ago, I think on my Discord with a bunch of other people, and I said, this is kind of what I'm into aesthetically. And then he recommended this and sent it to me. And yeah, I've been in love with this thing since I had it the first time. So this is mine now, and you will likely see it on the channel a lot. In fact, I'll probably you know, continuously link it down in the description for anybody who's interested. But at some point, once I learn a lot more about it and watches in general, right, then you know, maybe I'll do a full review on it. At the moment, I'm not equipped to give you guys a comprehensive review on this stuff. I have so much. My knowledge of watches versus knives is a totally different. I don't know anything, but I'm really intrigued by this. And this was a great opportunity for me to have something that I could experience and actually give thoughts on. You know, I mean, everybody's got to start somewhere, right? I'm a complete and total noob in this area, and yeah, I'd like to learn a little bit. I've heard that it's an expensive hobby though, so we'll see what happens. I'm not gonna jump. I know people are gonna be like, do you want to, I've got a whole bunch of watches I can send you. Don't do that. This is a down the road, like this, I'm in the exploration, like the tiptoeing into this part of the hobby phase, right? Anyways, guys, I think that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Thanks again, Nick. I don't know why you wouldn't be subscribed to Nick Shabazz, but if you're not, go subscribe to Nick Shabazz, because he does awesome reviews and actual full comprehensive reviews on watches. Yeah. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.